Hi, so I'm just looking at some of my colour options to paint this lovely rowboat, and I want to be able to get this lovely blue and aqua. This is almost mauve, isn't it? And I want this green and quite a lime green. So I know that in order to make quite a lime green, I need a lemon yellow and a blue, what do they call it? Leaning, not blue leaning, a green leaning blue. So I am going to try with phthalo to get some of these colours. So phthalo is incredibly powerful. But if I mix phthalo with a lemon, that is definitely a colour that's in there. A bit more lemon. That's some of that nice green now. Also, if I use a phthalo, I want this really, really dark. So in order to get that, I want another dark to add to it. And this is a Van Dyke brown. So if I add my Van Dyke brown with my phthalo, because it looks almost black, but it's actually a really, really dark green. That's a very good colour. Then it goes a little bit more green, doesn't it, in some areas? So these colours can kind of be changed up a bit, diluted. A little bit more yellow in there. And then I have that lovely blue, which is very nice. But I might actually have a bit of lavender in there as well. And lavender, to be fair, is ultramarine and white, but it's a very popular colour. And I think if I have a little bit of phthalo with my lavender, let's see if we can get the colour of that boat. That's not far off, but I think it loses the luminosity. So I'm going to stick with my phthalo, and I'm going to add in, I want something that's like red leaning, so I'm going to try a bit of cobalt with it. And by keeping my phthalo working all the way through my painting, that's quite good, I can keep a lot of harmony going. Right, so what colours am I missing? I'm missing some of these rusty colours. So again, I've got my Van Dyke brown. And let's try that with a bit of this yellow. So I think here I'm going to have to add in, that's actually a really good colour for down here. Let's try adding a little bit more brown into that and see if that will make the colour of my all the leaves and things that are sitting on top. Needs a little bit more warmth. So I've got this in here. So let's add in a little bit of burnt sienna. That's a bit more like it. So my burnt sienna is this one. So the colours we end up with are the burnt sienna, phthalo blue, a little bit of cobalt, some lemon yellow, which has gone a bit green, so that's 4 colours, and the Van Dyke brown. That should give me all of the colours that I need to create this one painting. Let's just make a note of some of these. Oh, that's a pen brush, that's no good. So this is burnt sienna, phthalo blue, cobalt, lemon, Van Dyke brown. Job done. I think we're quite well colour matched. I hope you can join me to do the painting. All my sessions are Wednesday evenings. They go out on YouTube at 7:30. You can either paint along or watch and paint another time. And these sessions are all about having fun, making mistakes, learning techniques as you go, not being too precious about the end result. Make mistakes, see what you like, get rid of what you don't. So I hope you can join me. Bye.